That was a big fish, boys. God damn it. 38-inch northern. Tip up at about 4 o'clock. 20 foot of water. We're gonna let it go. I don't even know how I'm gonna hold on to this thing. It's all slimy. Oh, she's starting to fight me. There she goes. She gone. We do got ourselves a nice Walter here. I can't believe I forgot to hit the record button, but you know, we'll take it. Just caught this 24-inch walleye. We're gonna send him back down the hole. Here he is. We're just walking out because
nor can we see the hard pack stuff anymore.
I can't see anything because of the wind and the snow and my glasses are foggy. But here we are, slaving away, pulling a couple of sleds, cold, freezing, wind worn, probably gonna fall through the ice because we can't see where we're going. Or getting blown away. This is bad. This is so bad. Culvers after this. Culvers. Big fat greasy burger. Big old culvers burger. Maybe 6 of them. Hell, I earned it.